Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log into your Union Bank's online banking account. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So the first step is you want to open your search browser and just search for Union Bank login. Once you search for Union Bank login, you can scroll a bit down and you can see where it says unionbank.com and click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Union Bank over here. Once you're over here, at the side you can see where it says the sign on button. You can just click on it, or you can basically just hover your mouse on top of it and this thing will open up. Over here, just enter your user ID and then click on sign on, and on the next step it'll ask you for some more information. After you provide every single necessary information it asks you for, you should be able to log in into your Union online banking account. Like password, if I enter my password, click on submit, I should be able to log in into it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will see you guys next time.